Okay, now this will be one more a good question. For what value of image of object O will be formed at I at the same distance from the third? I think the is asking to get the value of A here. The question, did I? Let me recollect question. I think somewhere. Okay. For what value of A? Image of object O will be formed at I at the same distance. He is asking to calculate the height. Sorry, he is asking you to calculate the small a. They say that one. Okay, we have diopter. This is what do you mean by diopter? Power of a lens. Okay, this will be P1, P2, P3. Diverging lens, negative power. Converging lens, positive power. So what is the P1? P1 should be equal to 1 by F1, or this is minus 5. Minus 5, this will become 0.2 meter. Convert this 20 centimeter. F1, and also it is equal to F3. Then P2, F2 equal to 1 by P2 will be 1 by 10, 0.1 meter, 10 centimeter. Look at the focal length. So therefore, this is a converging lens, this is a diverging lens. So he's asking now, what should be the value of it so that the image will be formed here again. I think it's all about you should fight with a ray diagram. Huh? Ray diagram is something very important. We know it's a diverging lens. After refraction, the rays. So here I'll proceed with the ray diagram in this way. No. I'll explain clearly because this is what needed for. Okay, this ray to refraction. Yeah, finally, similarly here also. The rays object is at a distance. It will form the image here. Say I1. That I1 will become object for this. And again it should form the image. So here object O. So we'll get this image I1, this I2, this one. So this distance P2 this distance has to be same. AI1 should be equal to AI2. Then only that is possible, no? Because of symmetry, AI1 should be equal to AI2. As these two are having same focal length, so this I2 will become virtual object for this lens, so it will form the real image. Now AI1 should be equal to AI2 means again what is the requirement here now? This should be like a 2f2, and this distance should be equal to 2f2. If object is at 2f, the image will be 2f on either side for convex lens. If we keep object here at 2f, where image will be at 2f, of course it will be inverted. Huh? There's a basic background. If object is at 2f, image will be 2f. Similarly, so therefore, this distance has to be equal. So therefore, this has to be 2f2. We know this distance is 10. We know f2 is 10. So what do we expect now? This will write b, will write c. So what should be the distance ci2 now? ai2, ai1, ai2 should be equal to how much? Equal to f2. So 2 into 10, 20 centimeter. Then 2f2 should be equal to AC plus CI2. 20. AC is how much? 10. CI2. So CI2 will be 10 centimeter. Similarly, BR, the same analysis here. 2f2 should be equal to AB plus BI1. So 20 equal to 10 plus BI1. So therefore BI1 equal to 10 centimeter. He's asking to calculate the A. Now we know BI1, we know focal length of this lens. So we apply the lens equation. BI1 minus BO should be equal to 1 by F1. BI1 we know minus 10. BO is minus A minus 10. Diverging lens. Okay, this is also negative, negative, positive. Concave length, focal length 20. Yeah, F1 20. So how much will come now? 1 by A is equal to 20 minus 10, 10, 10 by 200. A will be 20 centimeter. Okay, this will be our answer. Sir, what you did, okay, let's write these things. Now, so what we did is like, this this is an object, and the concave lens will form an image I1, and the object distance was A, no? So BI1 minus of BO. So this is the formula. BI1 is how much? We know BI1 is equal to 10 centimeter. Why negative sign? Because all the distances towards right will be positive. Then A will be this BO will be minus A. Focal length of this F1 and F3 minus 20. Solving for this, A will get 20 centimeter. This is our answer. So you can't. I think you must.